Your JEE result is out. Now one click can cost you an IIT seat. One wrong choice can push you from your dream branch to the branch that you never wanted. And many students lose better colleges every year simply because they don't understand JoSAA counseling at all. If you are a JEE Mains or JEE Advanced student in 2026, this video may be the most important thing that you have to watch before filling the choice. In this video, I will be going to explain you from the registration to the seat acceptance, choice filling, freeze, float, and JoSAA, and what is the difference between CSAB, and even the mistakes the students majorly every time that they make. So before even filling the form registration, watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Firstly, in this episode I would like to tell you some very important things. From the beginning to the end, you will understand the most important thing about the counseling is that step by step I will explain you whether you are 500 rank, 5000 rank, 50,000 rank, even 1 lakh. This series will help you to make sure that you will get a better branch, better college, and through this counseling strategy. Because I am the person who studied in NIT, my BTech, and IIT MTech. So I know the struggles, I know the strategies, how we have to join NITs and IITs. So stay tuned with this. First of all, what exactly JoSAA is? JoSAA stands for Joint Seat Allocation Authority. Instead of student applying to individual college and different colleges, or JoSAA conducts different centralized counseling processes through one counseling platform. That is, student can get admission into NITs, IITs, of course IITs, NITs, IIITs, GFTIs. That means one registration, one choice filling process, one counseling process, your JEE, and thousands of seats across India, your JEE Main rank and JEE Advanced rank before the foundation of seat allocations. So my friends, so many students don't know the names but they don't know the difference. Let's understand quickly. IITs, Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technology. I'm studying in Indian Institute of Science, so that has come as a flow. I'm doing a PhD in Indian Institute of Science, which is the India's number one university in the country. So you all know that. So I am from that background. So when I am saying something, I mean it. Okay. So I have studied in IIT Indore. So I am alumnus of IIT Indore. And it is IITs are most prestigious engineering institutes of India. Admission requires what it requires: JEE Advanced scorecard. NITs, National Institute of Technologies, admissions through JEE Mains. Okay, what about IIITs, Indian Institute of Information Technology? They strongly focus on computer science, AI, data science, and electronics. And those are very good colleges. Some of the good colleges I am going to explain. I have good friends from them, and one of my friends are doing very good, those who have studied in that. And GFTIs. What is GFTIs? GFTI is like government funded technical institutes. These are the government sponsored colleges participating through JoSAA. So remember one thing: JEE Main student can participate in NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. But JEE Advanced qualified students can participate IIT as well, and they can also put the choice filling of NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. But those who didn't qualify for JEE Main, JEE Advanced cannot fill IIT colleges. This you remember. Now, what is the biggest question? Can I participate? Yes. If you are appeared for JEE Mains 2026, and you can participate JoSAA counseling. If you are qualified for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced 2026, you are eligible for what? You're eligible for IITs, NITs and IIITs and GFTIs of course. But if you're qualified for JEE Mains only, then NITs, IITs, NIT, IIITs and GFTIs. And different institutes may have different eligibility criteria regarding class 12th and other physical requirements they need. Some colleges are in height, so they cannot take challenged people, physically challenged people. So, and you should be, and subjects also, you should be able to follow up their things. Always verify officially eligibility before counseling. Okay, now let's understand overall journey. What is the journey? How it starts? Step 1, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced results came. Yes, congratulations to those who qualified. Those who couldn't qualify, all the best for the next one. And first result, analyze your result, see your results, how much score you got. According to that, where you might get, just go through the previous year's rank list and allotment list according to you, where you might get. Please check it. And second step, very important step, is JoSAA registration. Please do not forget it. And then after registration, you have to do third step is choice filling. And then after the choice filling, first mock allotment will come. And after choice filling, do not lock your choices till the last date. Just save it. There is one option I will also going to say in the days to come. Just save it. Do not lock it in the first go. The reason is, if you want to change in the later phases, what does that mean, locking and all those things, I will do in the days to come in the different videos. But remember one thing, do not lock your choices in the step 3. Wait for the mock allotment and you will see the mock allotment 1, and accordingly, if you want to change options here and there, up and down and those things, do that, save it, and wait for mock allotment 2. And again, you want to do iterations. How to do that iteration, I will teach you and I will help you in the next lectures. And after that, second allotment, mock allotment came, and after that you save it. And then if you want to lock it, otherwise at the end of the day, if you save the options, it automatically locks it. Okay, that is nothing but step 4 is choice locking. Okay, and the results will come. Another step is result will come, announcement of results, and next step is seat acceptance or seat and fee payment or document verification. Very important. If you allotted in the first round, you have to pay the fee, and you have to upload all the documents in the first round itself. If you are not allotted in the first round, you have to wait till the allotment. Like second round, if you got second round, you have to pay, and also you have to submit the documents, and the documents has to be verified. And if it is any mistakes are there, they will send you back, and again you have to send. Otherwise, if you missed, seat gone. That's why it's very important. More than your preparation, how you prepared well, you have to prepare well for the this process also. And the next process is institute reporting, and this looks very simple, right? But this is where students make costly mistakes, not simple mistakes. This is why in upcoming episodes we will discuss every step separately. Okay, let us focus each and everything separately. But every student, every year JoSAA conducts multiple rounds in a seat allocation. In each round, some students accept the seats. Okay, some students upgrade, some students withdraw, which means they are very fan of CSE. If they got a mechanical, they might lose, or they biotechnology, they will say or they moved for the better branches. Because of this, seat movement keeps happening. So don't get panic if you don't get your dream branch in round 1. Many students receive significant upgrades in later rounds. Okay, so this is where many students gets confused. JoSAA and CSAB are not the same. What is JoSAA? Is the first initial stage, all the seats are open. CSAB is only meant for NITs, IITs and NITs, not IITs, NITs, IIITs and GFTIs, leftover seats, not all seats. And some of the seats are there are things I will tell you in the JoSAA CSAB lecture will come. Okay, but JoSAA is the main counseling process. Remember that. Okay, and CSAB is a special counseling conducted after JoSAA, not while JoSAA is happening. Okay, suppose some seats remains vacant after JoSAA seats, and these seats may be offered for the CSAB. Okay, but CSAB not happen parallelly. Okay, you understand that contrast between or difference between these two, and many students get surprisingly good colleges during CSAB because other students leave seats, and this is even if JoSAA doesn't go exactly as planned. Your journey is not over, my friends. I'm here to support you. I will help you to do. And I also participated in a CSAB round, and I have changed my college from one college to another college, and I was very thankful to my seniors who helped me during that process. So I can also help you in that. You can comment down each what are your doubts and other things. And also, okay, before wrapping up, common mistakes students make is not understanding the choosing order, not following some random YouTube advices, and making some mistakes and missing deadlines, and trust the some your seniors. And why I'm saying, but some YouTube person might say something, other person or some relative or somebody will say, ask your seniors, IITians or IITians or someone like that, and take their opinion, what they think, and not checking your certificates. It's a biggest mistake. And the last time you are running after the government official is wrong, medical certificate or either all your category certificate or medical or income certificate, and most of the things. Choice locking without strategy is the biggest thing. You didn't analyze the choice well and you just locked it. You cannot unlock it. So that is another mistake. We will all cover this in details throughout in this series. Okay. So now you know the complete roadmap of JoSAA 2026. So in the next episode, we will discuss one of the most important topics, documents required for JoSAA 2026. Many students lose valuable time because they don't prepare documents in advance. I will show exactly what documents you need and how to keep them, and before counseling starts also. Now it's counseling days are happening, so I will advise you to just prepare your all the documents. And also I would like to tell you, do not be get hardened or discouraged. If you have a lot of any doubts or any things you want to specifically ask certain things, please comment it down so that I will be able to answer you very specifically. And even though I know my channel is only for particular people, I am doing this in English because my people are there in throughout this country. I love everybody, so I am doing this. And also in this, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends preparing for the counseling. See, I'm an alumnus from NIT, and also I have studied in the IIT, and I have a privilege of IISc. I have covered the three generations, three important colleges, NITs, IITs and IIScs. So I know the culture of NITs, I know the culture of IITs, and I know I am now in part of one of the biggest number one university of our country. So I am Dharavath Venkatesh, and this is JoSAA 2026 complete roadmap series I am going to do. See you in the next episode. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.